So a lot of you guys requested me to make a video about the finer details of this bag. So in this video, we're gonna do just that. So let's start with the front. The front has this zipper, and if you see, the zipper is quite big. I mean, it covers half of the bag. So you can see in the video. I mean, yep. It's a massive pocket in the front. Then the bag has no zippers on the side or anything to hold. For the back, we have this secret compartment just right over here, and you can keep your mobile phones or wallets here. Then we have this Velcro kind of attachment to attach your bag with the trolley. So it's useful when you're traveling and you have a trolley bag. You can attach this to the trolley bag, or when you're not using it, just Velcro it back. Then it has one more secret sort of compartment. Keep your documents. Then we come to the main compartment. The main compartment has this really cool red zipper. It's a very small pocket, and then you have two other pockets. To go more deeper in the back, you have two water holders. One is black in color and one is this red. And then you have this pocket for a laptop or for your tablet. And apparently the inner thing is waterproof, so we're gonna try it out. This water, and as you can see, the water doesn't stay, so it has that hydrophobic layering. Try to have more water. So, and we can blend. Yeah, so it's exactly what they claim as to be water resistant. So this is my previous daily backpack by OnePlus. Do let me know in the comment section if you want me to make a comparison between two bags. And so this is my current backpack of choice. I'm still gonna use this, but yeah, do let me know in the comment section if you want a video about that.